Sindhis all over the world. On Sunday we have a meal. A lunch is typically
Lunch.
Is
He doesn't know we all do the same thing. Yeah, okay.
no, the lunch is
Sindhi curry.
the curry. You call it Sindhi curry, we just call it curry
Okay.
because we are Sindhi. So
Oh,
we
you
call-
don't call it Sindhi
we
curry?
call it
What do we
curry.
call it? It's like racism.
because it's like we don't call it.
Actually, again, I grew up with lots of Sindhi
We don't
friends.
say Parsi Laganu Bono. You will say Laganu Bono. We'll say Parsi Laganu Bono. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay. I'll
You got
allow
what I'm
it.
saying.
I'll allow it.
Yeah,
I'll allow
yeah,
it.
yeah.
God,
So
you're
we
such
call
a
it-
pain. Man. It's like talking to your teacher. Fucking unbelievable. Makes you feel really bad. Huh?
So you
Point?
have curry,
Huh.
rice,
Huh.
and then this tuk. There's that aloo which is double fried,
I've had
and
all this.
bundi which is that sweet thing.
Yes, I've had that too.
And so you go to Sindhis all over the world in Hong
standard.
Kong. It's on Sunday. I
And
think
papad.
Papad, no, it's not too much. Papad
Yeah.
is more, I don't say, I think it's more
It's a
Gujarati thing.
stereotype. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a stereotype, more
Yeah.
Gujarati than this,
Yeah.
but we don't have too much of papad. But it's this Sunday you go to any
Do
Sindhi.
you do that?
What? Our Sundays? Ours?
Uh-huh.
Every Sunday.
And is your wife Sindhi?
She's Punjabi.
So she's okay with it. She
She's
don't-
okay. She's also.
Just say,
We've
"Dum aloo
converted her.
today,"
We have
and-
converted her. We have converted her long time back.
Really? No arguments.
No argument. She loves it.
What are the kids like? I'm not kids.
They also
now,
love it.
they're
They
adults.
also love it.
Huh.
So it's like ingrained. Every Sunday this has to be there. You know, if you
So
don't.
then you sort of feel like, uncomfortable if it's not
it's
there
not-
because it's so hard
exactly. Why is it not there today?
to have it.
Like,
Yeah. So what's the West India and
So she's
South
in
India?
no, West India is the food, different between food, origin, Sindhi in West India compared to Sindhi in North India. No, I think food and all is more or less the same. We all have the similar things. And we Sindhis also like most Indians, we like to we can't waste food.
Yeah.
So if if there are extra chapatis left at
You put it
night.
in your pocket and
No. In the night we don't eat.
Yeah.
We cook it the next day.
So my pal's dad, because he started drinking beer in college, no? So he was very, very sweet that way. Chandru uncle, I'll take his name, he's no more. But he used-
Sindhi.
Yeah. Charani.
Chandru.
My friend Vikram, he knows everything. I'm not lying. And the thing is that he used to give us beer because we're a very liberal guy, a very lovely family.
Sindhis are mostly liberal, yeah.
Moini auntie, Chandru uncle. And so we stick out the beer, And I remember, so we had one Sunday. Next Sunday we came back. So my pal Samir and me were there. And uncle came and said, "Chalo, let's have beer." And he got this
open beer.
It had it was like half, And Samira looked at each other and then we had to drink it all. It was horrible. Then I don't know, what the hell? He said, yeah, he does it all the time. There's no question of quarter bottle being wasted. Back in the fridge.
How can you throw anything?
And same for us only. We were the customers.
In my house, we had that mithai gets fungus on top. My mom used to remove the fungus, put it in something and make something else out of it.
But in a way, that's recycling. In a way, you're saving the environment because you're not wasting more stuff.
You're not wasting food.
I think it's great.